The Global Spread, and I'm your host, Maxwell. You've got the products, you've got ChatGPT, you've even got Canva. So why aren't you making money yet?
To be honest, having tools is not the same as knowing how to use them strategically. Tools don't build success. Action does.
You've got digital gold in your hands, but you keep waiting for perfect timing or doubting yourself. That's what's stopping the money, not the tools.
If you truly commit to creating consistently with what you already have, you'd see results. It's not luck, it's movement.
Stop asking, what if it doesn't work? Start asking, what if it works beyond what I imagined? That's the mindset that changes your life. You already have what people are praying for. The question is, will you let fear keep you broke while holding tools that could build an empire?
This is Global Spread. I'm Maxwell. If you're ready to stop watching and start building, then let's grow together. Like, share, and join the movement.